What's up, YouTube? Coming back at you with another video right here. Like I told you, I'd make one about this Hummer H3 that I got. As you can see right here, a lot sold. So we got a 2008 Hummer H3, 134,000 miles on a luxury package that comes with leather seats, heated seats, sunroof. So these are the pictures I seen for the for sale, the lot. The auction lot. It didn't look too bad, as you can see right here. You can see that the chrome grille that wraps around the headlights and the corner lights, it's busted, but you can see actually under the passenger side tire, the grille's laying right there. I can't really tell if it's broken or not, or if it was just removed for insurance purpose. Also, that fender, passenger side fender, seems to be in good condition. They have clips that hold it into the body, so it looks like it just needs to be clipped back in. Also, it attaches to the bumper that's out of place. So, yeah, it doesn't look too bad to me. Basically, from what I can see is, let me see. The headlight is busted, the corner light's gone, this grille is possibly damaged, and everything else kind of needs to be squared up. Basically pulled and put back into place. That bumper looks reusable, that grille might be reusable, the fender's definitely reusable, so it looks like I'm going to need a headlight, a corner light, a pull job, and squaring everything off. That's what it's looking like. You can see retail value right here is almost $13,000. I got the bid for $3,800. It came out to be $45 after the taxes and the fees. Plus I paid my tow guy $80 to bring it to me. So not a bad deal. We're gonna wait to see this thing in person, and then, you know, go from there. So let you guys know as soon as I bring this thing and update you on what's going on with it. Alright guys, see you later. Alright YouTube, as promised, I got this Hummer H3 right here that I picked up at the salvage auction. Already had her fixed up, as you can see. Front end is looking nice, everything's squared up good. Tell you in a minute what I had to replace on this thing, but let me just show you the condition it's in now. This thing runs and drives like brand new. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the purchase and the rebuild. It came with no check engine light on it, has current inspection. The tires on it are like brand new. Must have just put them on for winter. We're in December now, so the snow's about to come. I'm sure somebody's gonna scoop this up for me. Check it out. Check out them tires. We're inspected until September of next year. Super clean interior. We got the luxury package, leather with the heated seats, sunroof. Check it out. Okay, so you want to know what I did to this thing, huh? Okay, first thing first, what I had to do to this, I did need that grille, that chrome grille. So, that's actually one of the most expensive grills I ever bought. That grill alone was $320, right? That's just for the chrome grill. $320, and that was off eBay. That's not even from the dealer or anything. So, that grill needs a mounting bracket that goes behind it that you could clip the grill to. It's a plastic bracket. That was another $150. So $450 you're talking just in the grill. The headlight in the corner light needed replacing. It comes as one unit. I got that for like 60 bucks, an aftermarket one. That's it for the body parts. The fender clipped back on, like I said. Everything needed to be squared out so the lines all, matched up nice and even. But after driving the Hummer for I think like a day, I noticed the temperature gauge would go slightly above halfway, right? So I had my mechanic take a peek at it. It appeared that the radiator got just slightly bent in the head, so it had a small radiator leak. We were leaking antifreeze. So I had him go ahead and change that, put a brand new one. While he was doing that, he found a bunch of play in the water pump. So I ended up doing a water pump on that too. He also found a clip for the crank sensor was cracked, so I replaced that too. Basically that's where I'm at with it. Bought the car for $4,500 out the door. What I put in parts? Five. I probably put $1,500 into it already between parts and labor. So I'm at like $6,000 right now on this build. But you can see it's a nice solid vehicle. Like, as soon as the snow hits, I can't wait to take this bad boy out. This thing's gonna be a beast in the snow. I go snowboarding a lot, so as soon as we get some fresh powder, I'm definitely taking this thing up to the mountain. I'm not getting stuck anywhere. I can't wait to take this thing out and rip it in the snow. In the meantime, I'm gonna have fun with it until it sells. So, Besides this one, I'm still working on that Focus ST. Still working on that. I have. What else I have? That Focus ST. I bought a Mazda. I bought a Mazda 3 hatchback. Man, is that all I have? Mazda 3 hatchback I'm working on right now. I just got it the other day. I think that's it. I still have my 2013 Acura RDX. I have an 05 Chrysler Pacifica. Those are basically cars that just keep me afloat. They keep the income coming in. But I'm looking for a toy. I just was outbidded on a 2012 Porsche Panamera this morning. I really wanted that car. I thought that thing would have been awesome for a little bit. But yeah, I'm on the hunt. I'm on the hunt for something cool. So if you guys see something on Copart, some kind of toy. I love sports cars. I love luxury cars, Give me a shout in my inbox and, send me the lot number and, yeah, I'll take a peek at it and see, if it's something that fits my budget and something that I like. All right, guys, I'm all done here. I'll see you guys on the next build. I'm out.